2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1. Okay, let's go. The 2 chord is one of the most beautiful chords in worship, but when it sounds plain, your whole progression feels weak. Today, I'll show you 3 beautiful gospel versions of the 2 that will make your song sound better even if you're a beginner. The 2 chord appears in almost every progression, and the second one I'm about to show you is the one that changes everything. Chord number 1. We are in the key of C, the C scale. This is our 2. 1, 2, which is a D minor, like this. I'm sure most of you are very familiar with this. You may have heard this 2, 5, 1 before. 2, 5, then 1. Okay, now the first chord for the chord number 2 is this. Okay, let's compare this sound to this one. This is your normal boring chord number 2, but this one, wow, this sounds very good. Now let's see how it sounds like in real life music. Still in the key of C, we are using the song Indescribable. Here you are. This is your 2. Okay. We learned this chord in our previous lesson. Okay, if you missed that one, please check this link where I talk about 3 beautiful chords we could use to replace our chord number 1. This is one of them. And now here's our 2. Doesn't it sound good? Right. Chord number 2, our second version is this. As simple as this. Okay. Now let's apply it in the previous song we just did. Now let's go. You see it. Let's play it again. Okay, let's go. Wow. Now tell me, which one sounds better so far? Is it our chord number 1, our first version, or the second version? Our first version or our second version? Now the progression is 6, then 1, then 2, then flat 7. Okay. Now version number 3 for the chord number 2. Now let's go to the third version. This one is a big one. Okay, this is how it sounds like. You'll be asking, whoa, Alex, what is that? I'm not calling out the note names because they are displayed on the screen. Right, your right hand plays this, and this, and that. and your left hand plays just this. If the stretch is difficult for you, just omit this one and play this way. I'm sure this is fairly simple to play, okay? This is a normal one and this is a better version. Now let's apply it in that same song. Let's take it again. Okay, let's go. Did you see it? So like that. 2, 2, 5, 1. The first version, 2, 5, or that 1. Then the second version, 2, 5, 1. And then the third version, 2, 5, 1. Okay, so this is what I want you to do. I want you to take all these chords I've taught you and learn them in the other keys. All right, use the number system to score the songs, score the notes, and apply it in other keys. So for instance, this version of the 2, right? My right hand is what? 2, sharp 4, 6, sharp 1, and then 3. Then I would go to C sharp and apply the same thing. 2, sharp 4, 6, sharp 1, and then 3. Do you get that? Take one chord at a time and practice them in every single key till you become a master of it. If you need help to learn how to master all the other 12 keys, I have a video on it, so click here to watch it. In the next lesson, I'll be showing you 3 beautiful chords for chord number 3. So please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss it when I drop that video. It's bye for now.